Welcome to this video on Virgo Moon Sign, also known as Kanya Rashi in Vedic astrology. Virgo Moon individuals are known for their analytical, practical, and detail-oriented personalities. Ruled by Mercury, the planet of intellect and communication, they are natural problem solvers who thrive in structured environments. One defining trait of Virgo Moon people is their love for perfection. They have a sharp eye for detail and strive to improve everything they touch. While this makes them highly efficient, it can also lead to overthinking and self-criticism. Virgo Moon individuals are incredibly disciplined and hardworking. They're not afraid to put in the effort to achieve their goals, often excelling in fields that require precision and organization. However, their tendency to worry can sometimes make them overly cautious or hesitant to take risks. In relationships, Virgo Moon people are practical and supportive partners. They value loyalty and reliability above all else and often go out of their way to care for their loved ones. While they may not be overly expressive, their actions speak louder than words. Family life for Virgo Moon natives is often characterized by responsibility and dedication. They take their roles within the family seriously, often serving as the ones who keep everything running smoothly. Their mothers are likely to instill strong values of discipline and practicality in them. Physically, Virgo Moon individuals often have a neat and polished appearance. They may not seek the spotlight, but their composed and well-groomed demeanor commands respect. When faced with challenges, Virgo Moon people rely on their practicality and problem-solving skills. They approach obstacles methodically and rarely let emotions cloud their judgment. Their life motto is plan, prepare, and persist. In summary, Virgo Moon individuals are disciplined, practical, and highly analytical. Their attention to detail and commitment to self-improvement make them invaluable in any situation. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights on other moon signs.